October 24, 2016, and you're on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV, Channel 98 on top of GoTV Cable, Star Times, Channel 195, Channel 17 for my TV, and like we tell you now last week Friday, we done the on top of DSTV for Channel 259. So you don't get any excuse to they follow the Ogbonge Politics discussion show. And for those who can't complain, say cable, they're not today, today them for body, just turn your antenna small on top of UHF 57, and you're going to get us live and direct for Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. I go talk, say sorry, say we come late, but you understand, say somehow, based on the action today they carry come, we need to let the thing done well before we drop her. My name now Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as we do them every Monday, we'll carry on the action Tori from Friday, go reach this early moment, drop them down, give our Ogbonge visitors when join us the license to chook mouth inside. You said when they ask, you get the right to talk your mind as you take be on top of these political issues when we discuss. So for my right, I get Ogbonge political analyst, critic, and social commentator. When we say any issue when they affect us for inside obodo Nigeria, if even comot shirt, leave only singlet, they discuss them because they're very passionate about obodo Nigeria. And his name now Comrade AVANN HARVEY. Comrade, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, my brother. Thank you say you come here today because this program, by the watch out, if I say that it really they hot. I said, now my body know they hot. So I won't
I tell you, say when we start the thing will hot well. And on my left, I also get another comrade. Today is the day of the comrades. Comrade Michael POPOOLA AJAYI, and I be the chairman of Center for Democracy and Socio-Economic Rights. Another group when we say any issue when they affect us inside obodo Nigeria, and they talk about as it take be them for body. Comrade.
So good morning, my guy.
Welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Thank you.
As all of us come inside studio now, and a day of the comrades, because even me say one day inside center here. When Uncle be there, I be comrade because now Uncle be involved with the politician. When two of us sit down with the discuss. We don't go waste time, we go straight into the discussion when we carry come. I go like make everybody they pay attention because you get one small video when I want make everybody watch. If you blink, you go miss out. Just sit down, watch this video. When we go come back, we'll come enter inside the major discussion when we carry come today. No go anywhere. Will they come back?
I would not say that the Nigerian judiciary is corrupt, but it cannot be denied that there are some corrupt judges. A corrupt judge is more harmful to the society than a man who runs amok with a dagger in a crowded street. If a judge is corrupt, he's no longer a judge, he's a thief. And therefore, he should be treated as such, according to law, and sent to jail. That's the way I look at it.
So now somebody will be saying, he don't work inside obodo Nigeria highest court as judge, and today in the look the issue where happened between the DSS and some of our judges them he can talk in mind. That now retired justice of the Supreme Court Samson Uwaifo, our Ogbonge visitors when they inside studio. Everybody knows say this month of October carry plenty action come. The DSS for night. They be enter the house of some of our judges them inside obodo Nigeria. Then package some of them. They see some kind of money. The thing come they go back and forth. Some people talk say based on separation of powers, the judiciary you get mechanisms to look inwards and clean itself. Other people come talk say if you they clean yourself and it be like say they clean yourself well. People go come outside can't clean yourself because people even check separation of powers. We get checks and balance to use ensure say this one they know they abuse the power when they get. Now we know they talk about whether DSS rights to go and whether they release them on self-recognition and the rest of them. Now they discuss this particular issue now, and this issue don't threaten to tear our lawyers and our judges them apart. The issue of the status of these judges them when we say they don't carry this allegation put on top of their neck. NBA don't come out contact say make them step aside pending the conclusion of this particular issue, and the agency don't come out contact say based on our constitution say that their responsibility to check and see how this thing take be, and the company like say our lawyers and judges them they don't begin to fight themselves. Now this fight against corruption when we want to say one cleanse our judiciary. How you take reason the matters you can't get to do say NBA they talk one thing, NJC they talk another thing. Will they make progress at all, Comrade POPOOLA?
You see, what thing they happen so? It's quite unfortunate. By the time we say person when suppose judge thief, instead be thief. Say now wahala don't we get them boss.
But he go there proper to talk say no, he go there proper to talk say person when one judge himself be thief. That one a conclusion. I know say our law talk say
allegation they fed they don't get. No be say you go just say
no, whether an allegation.
Okay.
Because even waiting the judge then none of them deny. Then they say now somebody don't come meet me before make I do and favor.
Okay.
The difference say I never do and before. So but maybe we leave that one aside. So May leave that aside. But what did they say for MBA and NJC? In fact, now NJC, now that one they're supposed to scrap at all again. You see, because I did part of group where don't sign petition against some of these judges. Since some 3 years, some 2 years, they don't do anything. And in fact, even for lawyers self, it's hard for lawyer to talk true. Because if you talk true for law court or against any of these judges, they will say, okay, you go see. When you have any privilege or anything, they go sit down on them. In fact, if you go take matter, go there, this thing, they will show you paper. So even lawyers, they know the truth. They know if you talk. You for the MBA, who be the MBA when they talk? Now the Oga where they there. Now when they give judge money, not be all those big lawyers. Abi? Say now judge they pay themselves. Not be those big lawyers. So the MBA, you know, they first talk one thing, say, oh, judiciary, oh, this is the state of emergency, this and that. Then later when they see people say against them, and they made them say, okay, make those judges, make them go sit down first before they clear the allegation. Exactly. Me, I agree with them on that point.
Say make the judges them go sit down.
Yes, because if they say you be thief, you must first say I no be thief. Clear yourself. Because if I carry gay case, go damn me person. If you no judge me as I think, I go think say the other person because they say if they collect money. Maybe my opponent don't go see him for
exactly. Comrade POPOOLA, you don't answer this particular question well. We go rush, enter inside one small break. When we go that break, come back. I go try to Comrade AVANN to discuss the issue as it get to do with this case when we say NBA, they talk say, make the judges then step aside. NJC say no, it contravene, na big English, contravene wetin dey inside our constitution. We go check based on say people don't talk about due process. No go anywhere now, still as it dey hot, will they come back? Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. Before we go that break, Comrade POPOOLA been talking mind as it get to do with the one when we say NBA come and talk, say yes, make the judges then step aside, and then he say no, say the thing no follow with waiting there inside our constitution. I go try and go give Comrade HARVEY to take in point as it get to do with this particular issue. Comrade, if we look the way this matter day now, some people don't come out. In fact, in the last 2 weeks, you get one particular term when on the rain for inside our political dictionary. Due process. Now, some people don't argue, say, if you tell these judges them to go sit down based on, say, you won't judge this particular case, and other people, they talk, say, what if our constitution, no give anybody power to talk to them and go sit down. If we can't look what happened for the executive and the legislature, when they carry Senate president and deputy Senate president go court, some people tell them, say, may they step aside. People talk, say, no, they don't go step aside. Say, our law talk, say, you are innocent until proven guilty. You know things that we feel join these two together.
You see what they happen for this our country, my brother, be say, we know they imitate the good character or the good behavior for developed country. Now only the bad one will they imitate. You understand? Ordinarily, person where they say they accuse you, say you do something. Elsewhere, any other country when they this world, what they go do morally, they go say, okay, because you accuse me, make I commot first. Because that is the center. You know, that your position is what is making you to be corrupt. If you are not there, you will not be corrupt. But if you come out from that position, you will go to the court, clear yourself. You know, in fact, you go get more honor if you come out. To say you are, so no, here for Nigeria, we know they resign. Even if say down within us, we will not say we they guilty. We go still they sit on say na lie. I don't do anything. Can't even go any court. You don't get power. You don't follow due process and all that. Because corruption, it don't really kill us. It don't really kill this country to the extent say you will go to some schools, primary schools. You go see parents. They use money that they give teachers to pass their children. Corruption don't kill Nigeria to that extent. Say you go police station. You go write petition against somebody. Police go say you must mobilize them with money before they come out. Go make arrest. Corruption. So that. If we say we want to start from the judiciary, because it is very, very bad that the judiciary are supposed to be the custodian. Now, big English be that. Or people will say they use case, they whip people with the thief or people with the do corruption. Now them themselves now can't they corrupt to the extent say now millions of dollars, millions of pounds. Now they say they corrupt. My brother, it did very bad. But one very good thing say I want to point out: if you want to fight corruption. If you want, it's a very good fight. But if you are using wrong method to fight a good fight, some of us no go agree with you. Now be the thing we say it don't confuse person like me. I don't know who I go join. Whether na the federal government or na the judges themselves.
Okay, but comrade, no can step this one to another level now. He don't raise one point. He talk say if they use some kind K-leg, they fight wetin dey wrong. It go come be like say the wrong when you dey fight. Even though you get good intention, but because in a backyard you dey use the fight am, say wahala go dey. You think say we suppose whether na K-leg we dey use or no be K-leg, you no think say we suppose just fight the fight once and for all, no say we don fight am.
My own position very clear. You see, sometimes I dey talk to me we even suspend, some of these constitutions sometimes. Clear everybody commot, then start afresh. Which kind of process are they talking about?
But if you want clear everybody commot, I be say everybody go clear.
One of the two judges say one minister been don meet am before. In fact, by due process wey dem dey talk about now, na be say if anybody come meet you immediately, you go shut down, report the person. Why be say na they talk? No, they say even they themselves they no follow due process.
If I go come inside here,
if they follow due process, all this thing no go happen.
If I go enter this one, Justice Okoro when talk this matter now talk say in use him mouth report to the Chief Justice of the Federation say see so thing wey happen o. Now if some people talk say ideally he suppose write am for paper, but he no write am. Since we talk say we dey fight corruption, when DSS, when some people don argue say no be their responsibility to even do any arrest in the first place, go do arrest, but because we wan fight corruption, Nigerians want to say we fight corruption. You no think say we suppose call the Chief Justice, call Justice Okoro, and call the minister, since all of them dey alive, make we ask say this man use him mouth tell you, abi no tell you.
Come. Who be the chairman of NJC?
You know say
who be the chairman of NJC?
The Chief Justice.
Fine. So you go call report person picking to run. Which kind of judgment you go expect? So you see the intervention of DSS. As far as I'm concerned, how are you saying they no get right? They no get this thing? Law enforcement now, law enforcement.
No, but law enforcement.
DSS, I agree say they get us to arrest. They get us to arrest, but they don't get us to prosecute. They arrest and give to police and
so
give to law enforcement agents.
People argue say the responsibility na anything we do with
internal and external security, intelligence,
and security, intelligence. Abi, okay. By the time when judge don been put in hand for Solo, it mean we say security don't spoil be that.
By your own definition.
That's what the definition.
You feel explain like that. Say judge at that level of that corruption, they threaten internal security
of Nigeria. No, but so they get right to go ask them question. So there's no carry them go court now. So some of them now EFCC don't take over and all of that. Okay. Because the failure, if you say NJC don't leave to his responsibility, they do what they're supposed to, fast, we don't go reach here.
Exactly.
So we go tell say somebody come tell me something. Where your evidence?
Comrade Harvey, make we come from this angle too now. One of Justice Nguta, he come out talk say, the money when they see for a house, say them plant them for a house. And he said, don't come out again, come talk, say, the same first person, Rotimi Amechi, when he name enter Justice Okoro's story, he still talk about the same person, say, he name too also enter this in story. Now, some Nigerians don't they argue, say, it be like, say, the thing now one-sided. Because all of us agree, say, whether na umbrella, whether na broom, people when they thief, they dead there inside. Now, make I go ask this question. Some people they talk say everything are based on evidence. Now when one person name enter two story, you not think say EFCC is supposed to look say why you be saying that your name sweet to enter story.
My brother, make I start from Justice Uguta that say they plant the money for his house. He go free proof because one, the DSS at that level, when they go for such arrest, they suppose go with some gadget, maybe or if they will wear some camera in their body, when go record everything what they do, so that they will prove beyond reasonable doubt as long as they talk. But now, Okuta say they plant the money for his house, and he go free proof because they don't record anything when they catch the money from his house. You understand me? Because they go there for night. Maybe in fact. The DSS are even lucky. If now other houses when they go get security, they for be some battle before they will enter. You understand me? Now, Amechi name it don't become recurring decimal for every story. You understand me? And the government is trying to pay deaf ears. Say nobody has a written petition. Nobody has any evidence against Amici and all that. Until the federal government is able to prove to us that we are not. I am not a PDP. I am not a APC. You understand me? But just prove to me that you are sincere, so that I will use all my heart to join you for the fight. You understand? Because I know say I not corrupt. People when you go there against corruption fight. Now the corrupt people. But those ones that are not corrupt, they are not fit join. Join you when they use wrong method. That is just the simple truth. Exactly. You understand me? So the evidence against Amici from the beginning of this government, even before he became the minister, whether written evidence, whether natural evidence, whether social media evidence, or even perception, the thing is enough for EFCC to go and investigate him. When they go investigate him.
Comrade POPOOLA, he be like say the honorable minister name just be like salt. After they don't cook food finish, some people go look say, it be like say if I put his name inside, the thing goes sweet well. How you take reason this particular matter? But if person name appear first time, appear second time, he's supposed to be suspect. What do you think about that?
You know, I don't know the kind of person where he be.
Okay.
When we say everybody now Amici, this one talk now Amici, this one talk now Amici. Everything my own take for this one be say, the judges don't talk. Make DSS now come enter the matter.
But they will ever enter.
Why they not go enter?
But they never enter now.
You know.
They never enter.
They no go enter.
you take no say they no go enter.
Because how they go take enter?
Why they no go enter?
They never enter.
Why if they no first enter for the all the allegation,
why they no go enter?
Remember Rivers State the present governor
the white paper.
He constituted a committee to probe Amici and all that. They came out with a white paper and indicted Amici. But Amici, because of waiting will be for this part of the world, we know the shape. Amici, when they were clearing him for the Senate before he became minister, he said, I have never bribe anybody. I've never taken bribe in my life. He stood and said that. We don't have conscience in this country.
You see, yes, we don't allege everybody. Everybody they allege. He don't talk, say he never bribe anybody. And he never take money from anybody.
No, but comrade,
that's how you talk now.
I never give anybody money. I never take money from anybody.
That's how you talk now. So we have DSS, we have
but the question is why DSS? Why DSS? No, why police? Why EFCC? Why be say anytime when the name come up, now that time they slow. But if now other people, now that time they do sting operation.
No be only Ramo, no be only Ramo. Saraki name don't come up for many angles.
But we know say if the way when you take me now, like say
Saraki name don't come up for any angle, many angles.
Okay.
He still remain there as Senate president.
Okay.
You know my guy here don't talk. See for Nigeria, we know the guy. Say for Nigeria, we know they get shame.
They get shame.
We no get shame at all. Good name, don't travel before. Don't pay for this thing. What in the policy say now we did there, now me. So we use everything we do to sustain ourselves. If you say you want serve me, if you say now because of me, you dey seek political power, and you dey so you go do what I want. So. If somebody want threaten your life, go say, I'm waiting there. No be serve, I won't come serve.
Very true.
About force. So, but here, they know they resign. They know they go. They won't die put. In fact, if possible, serve, they won't be there forever.
Very true.
Say, is it true, say, now we then they serve, or be then they serve themselves?
Very true. Comrade, the way when we say our system day now, the way when we talk, say the greatest problem we'll get now to fight corruption. And the way when we say plenty Nigerians, they come and they talk, say, the way when this fight, they go, it be like say now only one hand, now they carry give some people. You think say this fight against corruption, the thing go achieve any better results?
My brother, as he just base, so it go be like say, you do me when you dey power. When I come dey power, I go do you. We are going nowhere. You understand me? Now so it
Comrade POPOOLA, you agree?
Now so it look like now.
Okay, because the thing be say, the thief,
no,
make I tell you. Thief.
No, they thief, of course, they thief.
If they thief.
They thief. But
see,
are we,
you go now say, okay, I'm Robert De Lagos.
Like that.
I'm Robert De Lagos.
We grow like that.
They come, I'm Robert De Lagos, we know. Okay, if you catch one, you say, no, don't catch that one until when we catch all the robbers where they. So that I not busy like The armed robber with the Ajegule alone, you dey arrest.
No, you know, if we compare that one with what we describe now, because we know even some persons will be say their name come out from that first the first stanza of the names that come out for people who share money from Dasuki. Some of them they now decamp from umbrella to broom. So they
and all of a sudden they don't become bored again.
Hey, oh boy, not be smart, you know.
But comrade POPOOLA, how we go take you reach the level when we say whether this person rush come up from this party, enter this party, or he come become beautiful bride. How you take things say we reach the level when we say our institutions them go strong, reach the level when we say whether the person a friend of the president or his wife, younger brother, the law when go gbab am just like the gbab ordinary man.
Now they will suppose they aim to go. Now that be
but with this way they go wherever it is.
Now that's supposed to be
recently we know yes say one person use 270 million naira take cut grass.
So we dey reach there gradually.
But this gradually na gear one abi gear two.
Na only you dey talk about due process now.
No, okay. If we want to reach there gradually, there is pretense about it. Say okay, we must start from somewhere. You are starting from somewhere. That's starting from somewhere. There's every indication we say.
No, make a quick announcement. Our people waiting for house. Una don hear comrade AVANN HARVEY, and I don also hear comrade Michael POPOOLA. And we go try our phone lines open, make una self call in to discuss this issue and talk una mind as it get to do with this particular issue. And one thing when all the three comrades when inside studio agree and say corruption a bad thing and we must fight them. We will continue to discuss the matter. They go make we just switch enter inside the second one. And this second one get to do with one particular man too when we say as I mention name they appear. In name they also they appear. Once you call EFCC, you must call his name, and that now Femi Fani-Kayode. And last week, as he come up for inside court, they go arrest him again. Some people come to say this one be like fight to finish because of some kind of things when we say the man they talk against the government. Other people come to say now the search for truth and justice. I go want make everybody when they house too pay attention to your television. Make we play the video of what he talk after they arrest him. When we come back inside studio, we'll come talk say okay, well, this issue when he discuss now the issue gone where they cause the problem. I being get another thing when they inside the matter. Pay attention.
I am not scared. I am not intimidated. I will not be silenced. And I'm very proud of the fact that the Nigerian people are beginning to understand what's going on in this country. They can arrest me 1,000 times, torture me, lock me up, beat me, deprive me of food and my phones. They can do anything to me. I will never change.
To AS E DEY HOT. Now don't hear the voice of Femi Fani-Kayode. That now when they rearrest him after he come out for inside court. And make I try and give our comrades them again. Comrade POPOOLA, before we go watch that video. From the first part of our discussion, we've been they talk and say it be like say some people they look and say they don't mention some people names, and these people because of the role when they play for the previous government and the talk when these people they talk they won't bring these people down at all cost. How you take reason this particular issue? You think say Femi Fani-Kayode get point? I be making go call just answer him man name once and for all.
You see, before we go break, you dey talk about institution.
Okay.
To strengthen institution.
Okay.
And make each institution dey responsible.
Okay.
You see, all this going, arresting somebody every day, I blame whether the EFCC or the security agency. Because to me, what is supposed to do, when you say pick one daily or one chidi, do everything, you conclude. So
that the thing will end once. Before you conclude that talk, make we take this call. Paul, they call us from Lagos. Oga Paul, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
I greet you, Oga Paul.
The honorable, the comrades in the studio now, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Paul.
I want to correct one thing, I beg. During the ministerial appointment where Amechi talk for Senate House, he only talk say, he has never given bribe. You know, talk say no, they collect bribe. So we not ask him that question whether he they collect. He say he never collect bribe, as he never give bribe. So we don't ask him whether he they collect bribe. So the issue of say certainty whether he they collect or he receive, we know they sure about that one. Then back to the judge issue. I believe within one thing out of everything where they happen for Michael Zokoma talk on that day. He say if the executive no let the way the laws of the country be, may they call on the National Assembly to amend the law, and of which they get the power to do so. So if you want to fight corruption, and secondly, the Vice President come out which they say, to be sincere, corruption is in every arm of the government, the executive, the judiciary, and the legislature. So in order way to fight this corruption, let the executive start with example. Fight corruption with executive first. Then everybody now will come and say, yes, these people are ready. Not to say you don't leave corruption in your house. You never want clear the one way in your house. If they go other people's house, go and clear that one. You don't work like that.
Very
so
true.
if you want to start like that, make them start in-house first. Then we go know where they go.
Oga Paul, now very important point now you don't raise, so we really appreciate that. From Paul from Lagos, we go enter Israel, collect this call from Oga Henry. Oga Henry from Israel, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
I dey greet you, Oga Henry.
If you want to fight corruption, when you listen to what Mr. President said at Berlin, he said that he contested the election 3 times, and in fact, there are people that is behind it, that stand behind it all the time that is contesting this election. So when you listen to this statement, it tells you that he cannot fight corruption to the grassroots, because those people that stand behind it, those people are the first member of PDP, are the most corrupted official in the country. And those people now are not in APC. So if you are fighting those corruption, you have to start from this first member that even decap them. You have to investigate them before you get their position. But it did not even do them, just nominated them. It's like you favor me, so I have to give you favor back. You understand?
True.
And when it comes to the issue of DSS again, one, if DSS even want to arrest judges, you don't have to go to the judges house at night. It is only armed robbers that work at night. You did not go in there in the daytime, you go at night. You go with gun, you did not go with any form of camera, you just came out that you sell money on the apartment. Now the judges are coming out that those money, if they come out that those money does not belong to them, what evidence do you have to prove that the money belongs to them?
Now, very big question, and you don't ask so Oga Henry all the way from Israel. Basically about evidence from Israel. We'll come back to Nigeria. Collect this call from Olumide. Olumide, they call us for Ijebu Ode for Ogun State. Oga Olu, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Oh, good morning, my brother.
I dey greet you, Oga Olu.
You see, Oga Henry done almost finished.
Continue, we dey hear you.
Yes, Oga Henry done almost finished the talk self. But the thing where I want to talk be say, you see this president where we get. You see this president where we get. Now, wow, because me, I know they too young when he dey rule for 1983.
Okay.
Now, the first experience where I get for people where they protest, women in the market, from the marketplace, they come hold leaves, come they parade the protest on the major road because of the action the government was putting on the people, tax, tax and that. The man they hear people, they listen, get listening here.
But Oga Olumide,
yes, sir.
That time now military time now. This time now democracy.
You think say you don't change? Okay, the military uniform where you put on, that one go change in character. Abi the agbada way you put on now go come restore him back. No be that one. See how he can't wait because before he can appoint all these ministers. All the ministers, I think, said maybe people like we go be like angels from heaven, or people will be saying we never hear them their name before. Will be technocrats. Now you go put there. See all these people we don't corrupt finish. See that kind of formation. See the rest of the people we then talk say them the APC. None of them. Look at our governor for Ogun State here. Go check out. But these people then go it's like a kettle calling pot black. So that is the problem.
Oga Olumide, now very important point now you don't raise so. And I go try and go give Comrade AVANN. Comrade AVANN, you don't hear what he talk. Yes. The kettle calling the pot black.
Yes.
Some Nigerians still dey of the opinion say, if you want fight this corruption, make we see say you dey fight corruption, make it not be like say, now one people you dey fight. But then again, we need to start from somewhere. Abi, what do you think?
We need to start from somewhere, and we need to start good. From somewhere, not starting bad from somewhere.
So this start when we start now.
It's starting bad because you know people where they say Buhari as a military head of state as at that time, you know, during the campaign of this time, he said, I am a born-again Democrat.
Repented Democrat.
He was wearing other traditional attire, Yoruba dress, Edo, suit, and
for fashion shoot.
Just to, you know, our Nigerian people, we are very gullible. We are easily deceived. You know, we easily believe waiting person when we say he won in the campaign, they tell us they believe him. So,
comrade, we'll take the last call because I know so when I get plenty things to talk. We'll take Oga Obiora all the way from Yola before we lock our telephone. Oga Obiora, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Yeah, good morning, Chukwudi. Our guest, good morning.
Good morning, Oga. How are you, Yola?
Yeah, Yola, they're fine. So, one day, us much more now.
Okay.
So, Chukwudi, see what thing I tell you, right? I tell you, say, if somebody starts something with propaganda, carry out propaganda, no, they could. The person no go achieve anything. So some of the supporters, they think, say, me, I don't support the government. Not to say I don't support the government, but you will convince me to support you. Now that you see our government is not fighting corruption. They are fighting their enemies. Now, Chukwudi, if you lost your biro, and because you lost your biro, you carry your phone material, burn them, where they find your biro. You pull off your roof, where they find. Now, biro, they find that they scatter, they destroy your family. So this government, they know they fight corruption rather than they destroy Nigeria. Because even as we wait there for Adamawa now, if you have your house, you want to sell them. Somebody won't buy the house of 10 million naira. You're going to fear because if you can't the money pay for your account, EFCC will come catch you. You go tell us that this man buy him. If the man related to PDP, they go catch him, collect the money. So you see hardship come full everywhere. So it means that they are not fighting corruption, they are destroying the Nigeria. Now if they are fighting the corruption, if you fight today and win, things will improve. But what we are seeing today, they go fight, they will say they don't catch $20 billion, tomorrow hardship will increase. So what are they fighting? What are we getting from their fighting?
Oga Obiora, na very strong questions now you dey ask. What are they fighting and what will they gain from that particular fighting? And we go this break, come back. When we come back from the break, we go just round up the talk as it get to do with the one way concern EFCC versus Femi Fani-Kayode before we discuss the economic recession and the economy and the fact say, it be like say even big people don't begin to feel say the economy don't red. No go anywhere. You still dey watch AS E DEY HOT and we dey come back. Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. Ezugwu Chukwudi and the two comrades still inside studio, Comrade HARVEY and also Comrade Michael POPOOLA, and we will discuss some of the action to the way happen for inside obodo Nigeria for this weekend wey pass. So we start with the one when we say the NBA talk say make the judges then step aside, and NJC talk say make they no step aside. We come dey look say when judges and barristers they come begin they get issue, wetin we go dey go forward for inside the judiciary. We don also talk about the EFCC and the FFK. Make we complete that particular discussion. Comrade HARVEY, now you are going to throw this one too. Okay. Somehow, it can't be like say some people when they carry go courts, they talk say they do this, they do that. Will they make them heroes in quotes? Because some of these people, what they will come tell us now say it be like say they don't like me. Now he make them they do me like this. Because some of these people now people when we say even going into 2015 they're not really that popular. But now since their name they come up every day for different court, they call it popular, and people they whip sentiment, say ethnic, religion, and the rest of them. What do you reason for this particular issue? So
the whole thing still boils down to doing the right thing in the wrong method. You understand? This FFK that we talk about now, Femi Fani-Kayode, the man, he don't already they garner so many people out of sympathy. Because one, they not use man and other people where they say they charge all of them together.
They allow them go.
They allow those ones go. Why not allow this one go too? You are rearresting somebody that the court just granted bail already and all that. You know, so the thing, you are making it look like you are actually witch hunting, or you they fight people when they say they no support you for the election when you do. You understand me? So until the government really come out and say, because if you want really prove to people, say yes, you be disciplined person. Your children first have to be very disciplined before you go to say you they pinpoint another person picking, say you want the discipline the other person picking.
That's why they be government matter. like I been they talk am before. Now all those EFCC police, now them be problem.
But they did under the executive now.
No, they don't do their work.
They can be whipped to order.
What they talk be say before you arrest anybody at all, like Oyibo them they do. See Ibori matter. You know, Oyibo fit they monitor you, they follow you for 5 years. Any day with them grab you, they don't get all the evidence. Everything don't complete. But not be say you see one thing, you go arrest, go bail. Tomorrow you decide see another thing, go after the same person again.
Investigation before arrest, not arrest before investigation.
Establish your proof, your evidence before you go arrest the person.
And I will say wahala dey now because if since 2004 when we don't get the EFCC, they know they do their work well, they still can continue in the same way when they know they do am. Now we say we know they go forward now.
How you go expect say a branch of a tree that the tree is a bad tree? We know say bad tree no they bear good fruit. You expect a branch of that tree to bear good fruit? EFCC is a product of the Nigerian people. You understand me?
No,
even the EFCC where they say
with
the fear now. If you get case for EFCC, now then you go see no say they themselves they corrupt past the people when they fight.
Very serious talk. Now you don't drop. So everybody here agree say if we want fight corruption, we must ensure say we fight am well. Make it not be like say we fight am reach one extent. Tomorrow the thing go come resurrect, come even come back, come they fight us well for inside obodo Nigeria. And make we take our third discussion, and this one got to do with the recession inside obodo Nigeria. As gist don't come out say even the richest man for inside obodo Africa, Alhaji Aliko Dangote, say the economy don't red reach, it don't red reach inside as they don't sack some people for inside their company. The reason why we discuss this one, not be just because of say na Alhaji Aliko Dangote, we dey look the thousands or hundreds of thousands of Nigerians wey don lose their job in the last 1 year based on say our economy dey the way we take dey. I go ask Comrade Harvey this question. We get economic team. They say these people they be experts. They say these people they sabi how to handle economy. But for the past 1 year, we don't they do this, do that. It be like say the thing no they go. You think say some of these people na permutation they take our economy do?
You see, waiting there be say, I no go ever stop to dey talk about my president because he is my president. He is the head of government.
True.
He is the #1 person. He is the leader. You understand me? Because now how the body language which they have stopped using, all of us don't.
It be like say the body language na not talk body order.
So I go use am now because the way where his body language they go. Now people when they follow and work, they work. You understand me? So if you take more than 6 months to select ministers, to select people that were economic team and all that, you don't pass 1 year, the result is not coming out. Even you see the Minister of Finance telling us that a recession is just a word. You see, people are already committing suicide because they can't. Today, I read in the news in Abuja that a man killed his wife and his daughter.
Yes.
They asked him, he said, because he cannot feed them. You know, if you see the man picture, you will see how hard the man they look. The man is, you know, so this thing don't really they bite so many people. You understand? The essence say even the job where Nigerians don't lose for this 1 year, it don't pass 5 million. You understand me? A government that promised 3 million job per year. The promise, was it for job loss or job gain?
Comrade, are you go throw this question to now? He promised to create job, but he come be like say, hey, the job now don't come. How you take reason? You don't think say time don't reach for Oga President to sit down talk say these people when they do this economy they don't do well. I mean we need to fast and pray more for the economy to improve.
You see, many things they happen for the economy. People they blame minister, finance minister, but you cannot blame finance minister alone. He said CBN is there. All over the world, when there is recession, the central bank will come up with monetary policy that will make lending rates drop. Interest rate go drop. So that people will go fee access money, take do business. But in our own case, interest rate they go up. So now they say even our banking industry, they are not doing the banking, the real banking.
So make we talk, say the Minister for Finance and the Central Bank Governor, they don't sabi what they do. No, may talk. They don't sabi what they do.
Now they come now.
Why you never talk? I will tell you why they sabi, because one, the Central Bank, and before the recession starts, my brother, Central Bank Governor, I hear from Grapevine say the man beyond almost resign because they give a subterranean order from on top. Say, None of them. See, even central banks that are supposed to be autonomous, it's not autonomous.
Okay, so comrade Daba now, what do they talk? We say somebody hand. They control. Comrade POPOOLA.
Remember when our president go to Kenya?
Okay.
When they asked him one question about the naira, he said, "Who is in charge of the naira?" He said, "Who is central bank?" He said, "I am in charge of the naira." A president saying he is in charge of the naira. So what is that statement to tell you?
Comrade POPOOLA, now you go answer this one.
I know hear that one.
You know hear that?
That time. I know hear that time.
Okay. But you don't hear that now.
I don't hear him that time.
He said he is in charge of the naira. So so he's in charge of central bank.
I know, maybe no delay. So we expect central bank to come up with friendly monetary policies.
Okay.
You know, to rejig the economy.
Okay.
Then you see, then this idea be say people go read textbook. What you know you both talk. You won't come implement time here. This to me, the time don't come. We say we go looking what. Look at our environment, looking what our problem be. Then, you know, try to solve this problem. If I Dangote, the sack this thing. But the two way they be say, even some of these people live on government. Remove government's hand for their business. You know, it go collapse. Some of them don't pay the kind of tariffs and taxes they're supposed to pay. They just carry money, they say them be rich.
Very true. Comrade, we'll just take this one as last word.
No, let me talk about the Dangote. Okay. Dangote sacking, we get and clear. One of the companies, Naifodo, Dancer Food. You understand me? So he was able to even absorb some staff from that company. So he might even try. See, until our president is able to relax and select the best hands. You see, Haruna out there, as you live in Nigeria, you get appointment. See, Okojo.
No, talk that one.
See,
Okojo well at the code. No, don't talk.
No, that one was doing a nice job.
No, don't tell me that one. The hotel where they talk about what they say, Okojo well, then they hear the time when we say they sell crude oil for over $100.
This used to happen.
What did they do with that?
They saved. During Obasanjo time, Okojo, they saved money. She came out the other time and said, during Jonathan, the government has no political will to save.
Why you understand me? Why you not come out? No, tell me that one.
This discussion where we say, I go like make we continue now, especially as it get to do with the economy. But for those when we say, una tune in and una watch us for DSTV channel 259, tell your loved ones who don't know DSTV, Go TV channel 98, Star Times channel 195, My TV channel 17, and also UHF 57. We appreciate all those who call in, all the way from Israel, all the way from Yola, all the way from Ogun State. And we hope so now go join us tomorrow to discuss another action Tori where they come out smoke based on AS E DEY HOT. Comrade, thank you very much. You can come.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
God bless Nigeria.
God bless. To make Nigeria change, now the responsibility of all of us.
But now the government go lead now. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.